Hey guys, Angela here with Coastal Crafts, and today I'm going to show you how to make the Hermosa adjustable bracelet. This kit has enough supplies for 3 bracelets. You're going to get 3 different adjustable silk cords, one in black, one in cream, one in gray. You're also going to get 3 different gemstones. There's going to be a faceted black gemstone, which is onyx. You're going to get a blue cube that's faceted, and that's going to be kyanite. We also have these faceted rondelles. They're like a plummy red color, and those are garnet. So 3 different colors of satin cords, 3 different colors of gemstones, and we get to mix and match our gemstone colors with our cords to really personalize this kit. So let's unpack our goodies here and meet me back for class. All right, so I've unpacked all my supplies, and I have decided to pair the black satin cord with the kyanite, the blue gemstones, the cream cord with my garnet, and the gray cord with my black onyx. I've gone ahead and cut my beading wire into 3 pieces. There's plenty. And there's also extra crimp beads, which are the little tiny gold-filled tubes that are gonna hold our beads onto our bracelet. So there's a few extra of those in case you drop one. Let's start with grabbing our beading wire and 1 crimp bead. Slide the crimp onto the beading wire. Grab one of your satin adjustable cords. 2 ends are gonna have loops on them, and 2 ends are gonna have little end caps. We are gonna want to crimp our beading wire onto one of the loops so that we can string our beads on and crimp it to the other side. So go ahead and slide your soft flex through the loop, bring it back through your crimp bead, and cinch the crimp bead up to the loop, leaving a little bit of room for some movement. Needle nose pliers, smash that crimp flat. You're not gonna hurt it or break it, that's what they're meant for. The ring on our satin cord is actually a jump ring, so you do wanna make sure that it is closed. Check the other side too before we crimp. Just make sure it's nice and flush closed. Next, we're gonna string our beads on. I'm going with the garnet on the cream because it matches my outfit. What I love about this kit is that we get to make 3 bracelets. It's coming out in December. It's, the gift giving season. I think I'm gonna give the other 2 bracelets as gifts to my nieces so that we can have matching bracelets together. It's really fun to give a handmade gift, and what's even better is that these don't look handmade. They look like you bought them in a boutique, and I just love that about these kits. Boutique style jewelry for a fraction of the price. Go ahead and, if you can, slide that first bead over your 2 pieces of wire. Then you can trim the little tail off after the bead so that it's hidden inside. To secure the other end, we're gonna grab another crimp bead. You go back through the crimp, and this is when I like to go back through one of the beads. Hold your satin cord, hold the end of your beading wire, and cinch it closed. Take your pliers, smash your crimp flat, trim off your beading wire, and your bracelet's complete. This is how I like to put mine on. I grab the slide, pull it down, slide my hand in. I grab the 2 little end caps and slide my closure up with my other hand. And look how cute and fun. It's a one size fits all, so these really do make the perfect gift. Enjoy. Hey guys, I just wanted to hop on here real quick and talk about the tools and accessories that I use in the video tutorials for Coastal Crafts. I've actually compiled a kit that is available on coastalcrafts.co of everything that you see here. You have a flat nose plier for crimping and gripping, jump rings, a knot cutter that you can use on wire, string, and soft flex, a round nose plier that we use for wire wrapping and making loops for earrings and pendants. You have bead stoppers that go on the end of your beading wire to hold your project together while you work, and a bead design board that allows you to design your necklace and measure it out at the same time. So if you are interested in completing all of the Coastal Crafts kits, I would head over and grab one of these awesome toolkits. It has everything you need and makes making the jewelry a whole lot easier.